U.S. Citizenship and Naturalization, How to Become an American. Becoming a U.S. citizen through naturalization is the final step in the immigration journey. Citizenship gives immigrants full rights and protections under U.S. law, including the right to vote, hold public office, and travel freely. This guide explains requirements for naturalization, citizenship application process and exam, dual citizenship, and its implications, requirements for naturalization, becoming a U.S. citizen. To apply for naturalization, U.S. citizenship, immigrants must meet certain requirements. Basic eligibility criteria: be at least 18 years old, be a green card holder, permanent resident, for a specific number of years, have continuous residence in the U.S., be physically present in the U.S. for a required time, have good moral character, no serious crimes, pass the U.S. citizenship test, English and civics, take the oath of allegiance to the U.S. residency and physical presence rules. The number of years you must hold a green card before applying for citizenship depends on your category. Category: green card requirement, physical presence requirement, regular green card holder 5 years, at least 30 months in the U.S. marriage-based green card, 3 years if married to a U.S. citizen, at least 18 months in the U.S. military service members. No time limit, special rules apply, depends on service length. Example: a person who got a green card through employment must wait 5 years before applying for citizenship. Example: a person married to a U.S. citizen can apply after 3 years, but must still meet other requirements. Good moral character and criminal history. To qualify for citizenship, an applicant must have good moral character. Crimes that can prevent citizenship approval: serious felonies, murder, drug trafficking, fraud, multiple DUI, drunk driving convictions, lying on immigration applications, failing to pay taxes or child support. If a person committed minor offenses, USCIS may still approve citizenship, depending on the case. Citizenship application process and exam. The naturalization process involves filing paperwork, attending an interview, and passing a test. Steps to apply for U.S. citizenship. 1. File Form N-400, Application for Naturalization. The application fee is $640 plus $85 biometrics fee, $725 total. Fee waivers are available for low-income applicants. USCIS processes applications in 8 to 14 months, varies by location. Attend biometrics appointment, fingerprinting. USCIS will schedule a biometrics appointment to take fingerprints and background checks. 3. Attend citizenship interview and take the exam. A USCIS officer will ask questions about the application and background. The applicant must pass the U.S. citizenship test, English and civics, receive a decision. If approved, the applicant receives a notice to attend the oath ceremony. If denied, USCIS provides reasons and allows for an appeal. 5. Take the oath of allegiance and get a citizenship certificate. The final step is the naturalization oath ceremony, where the applicant swears loyalty to the U.S. The applicant receives a certificate of naturalization, proof of citizenship. After the oath ceremony, the person is officially a U.S. citizen and can apply for a U.S. passport. Please subscribe to Easy Life Studio for more content like this. The U.S. Citizenship Test, English and Civics Exam. Applicants must pass a 2-part test. Part 1. Civics Test, U.S. History and Government. The applicant must answer 10 out of 100 questions about U.S. history, government, and rights. To pass, at least 6 questions must be correct. Sample. Questions: who was the first president of the U.S.? George Washington. How many U.S. senators are there? 100 minus 2 per state. What is the highest court in the U.S.? The Supreme Court. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. What are the 2 major political parties? Democratic and Republican. USCIS provides a study guide, and applicants can retake the test if they fail the first time. Part 2. English test. Reading, writing, and speaking. Applicants must demonstrate basic English skills. The USCIS officer will test reading, writing, and speaking ability during the interview. Exceptions. Applicants over 50 years old who have lived in the U.S. for 20 years may take the civics test in their native language. If the applicant fails, they can retake the test within 60 to 90 days. Dual citizenship and its implications. Dual citizenship means a person is a citizen of two countries at the same time. Does the U.S. allow dual citizenship? Yes. The U.S. does not require people to give up their original nationality when becoming a citizen. Pros of dual citizenship: freedom to live and work in both countries, ability to vote and have rights in two nations, access to two passports for easier travel, opportunities for business and investments. Cons of dual citizenship: some countries do not allow dual citizenship, e.g., China, India, Japan. Possible double taxation: some countries require taxes from all citizens, even those living abroad. Military service obligations: some countries require citizens to serve in the military. Example: a Mexican citizen who becomes a U.S. citizen can keep their Mexican nationality but must follow U.S. laws. Example: an Indian citizen who becomes a U.S. citizen must give up their Indian passport because India does not allow dual citizenship. Final thoughts. Key takeaways. To apply for U.S. citizenship, you must be a green card holder for 3 to 5 years, meet residency rules, and have good moral character. The naturalization process includes filing Form N-400, attending an interview, and passing the citizenship test. The civics test requires answering at least 6 out of 10 history and government questions correctly. Dual citizenship is allowed in the U.S., but some countries may require giving up your original nationality. Once naturalized, you can vote, apply for a U.S. passport, and enjoy full rights as an American citizen. Becoming a U.S. citizen is a major milestone that provides security, rights, and new opportunities. Need help with U.S. citizenship? Stay tuned for more Immigration 101 guides. Got questions? Let us know in the comments. Please subscribe to Easy Life Studio for more content like this.